Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Thrivecart, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you integrate your Thrivecart with your Thrivecart Learn? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to integrate your Thrivecart Learn with Thrivecart anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses, you know that Thrivecart has two different segments. Thrivecart, which is basically checkout pages or landing pages to sell your product, and Thrivecart Learn is where you can house your courses. So what'll happen is if you integrate your Thrivecart with Learn, after they make the payment on the checkout page, you can automatically route them into your Thrivecart Learn course. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Thrivecart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Thrivecart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to integrate your Thrivecart product with Thrivecart Learn, it's pretty easy. First, you're going to click on the three horizontal lines here at the top. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to scroll down to the product that you want to integrate with your Thrivecart Learn. So if we scroll down, I'm selling a course for Italian food right here. So I'm going to click on edit. Okay, before you go any further, in order for this to work, you already have set up your course in Thrivecart Learn. If you need help setting up a course in Thrivecart Learn, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. But basically it's right here at the top. It looks like a graduation cap. Once you're in here, you would create a new project, name the project. So this is the housing area for your courses. So Spanish courses, create project. Okay. And here's Spanish courses, and we're going to create a course right here. And you would just go through here and create a course step by step. So again, I'm not going to go into detail on this video. If you need help setting up the video course, go back and watch my other video that describes that. But once you've set up your course, we're going to go back over here to the products, cancel this products here on the three horizontal lines. And I'm going to go down here to my Italian food video course and edit. Okay. So once you're in the product page, in order to integrate to your Thrivecart Learn, it's going to be handled here in fulfillment. These four options at the top, fulfillment. Okay, once you're in here, you're going to look for this button right here. What should happen after your purchase? Generally, you're going to be routing them to a link, but to integrate it into your Thrivecart Learn, you're going to open this up and click here, add them to my membership site. Once you do that, click here, select your membership platform and choose Thrivecart Learn. After that, membership level granted should be the same for all pricing options. And then after that, you want to go ahead and choose the course that you're going to give them access to. So I only have one course, so I'm going to leave it there, Italian food, really good. And once you do that, go ahead and click on save and get URL. Okay, so now we have integrated our Thrivecart product page into our Thrivecart Learn course, and you can click here and view checkout. So basically, to describe what's going to happen is they're going to land here on my landing page. They're going to see about my really good Italian food video course. They're going to go ahead and choose their pricing plan, and then they're going to make their payment with their credit card or with their PayPal. After that, they're going to be routed into my Thrivecart Learn course, so that way they can go ahead and start learning in my course. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to integrate your Thrivecart with Thrivecart Learn, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.